In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan the vehicle using the ThinkSafe machine, number 1. Number 2, how to identify the main fault code. Number 3 is to replace the fault component. Then number 4 is to erase the fault code. Then the final is to compare the live data range. So stay tuned. Welcome to Gary Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Today's topic is one of the fantastic. Today I have a Toyota Vitz, and this vehicle has a problem with check engine and ABS on the dashboard. Before we proceed, I want to scan this vehicle to know the main problem. I'm going to use this small ThinkSafe machine. I've already connected. Then using my phone here, let me show you. So we have Toyota. So it's a 16 pin. Then is a Toyota Vitz with push to start. Vitz NSP 130 hash 1NR engine 2010. Yeah, 4-cylinder. Okay. Let us come. If you are interested with this tool, let me know in the comment section. This tool is about $150. So we are scanning this vehicle. The engine has 2 faults. The ABS has 1 fault. CRS no fault. Electric motor steering no fault. AC no fault. Communication meter no fault. 1 fault. Body control module 2 fault. Then drive door motor 2 fault. Then we have power source control 2 fault. Those are fault codes. Let me see. 1212112. These are the main faults. So we are focused on engine. So the important thing here is ABS and check engine. So we are going to deal with ABS and check engine. Other faults we are going to quick erase to see if those code will disappear. So check engine. Okay. So read code. So we have brake ECU malfunction pending and current C1405. That's the main code on check engine. Brake ECU malfunction, it refers to ABS. So ABS has a problem. So we are going back to ABS. Before the ABS, in ABS section, read code. C1405 is open or short circuit on front speed sensor. So we have a problem with front speed sensor. That can be an open circuit, a faulty sensor, or torn ring problem, which is the ring problem. So let me go back to see. So this is the ABS sensor I've been talking about. I'll find a new one, and before we install, we are going back to test the continuity of this ABS. So see, it's 427, which is okay. So had to throw the bad one. I need to make sure the cable is stable. I have to manual test using my phone. See, everything's working perfect. Let me show you the graph. Even the graph is perfect, so meaning that ABS is okay right now. See, so I'm going to clear the code first to make sure everything is perfect, no fault. I want to clear quick erase. Let's confirm the ABS, read the code, no trouble code found. So everything's working perfect. So we are going to test this ABS by starting the vehicle and seeing how it works. Let me start the vehicle. Now everything's working perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.